Hello Ed and the team. Big greetings from Switzerland near Zurich in Valensee. As you can see, it's very beautiful here, and I just wanted to say big thank you for all your help, especially now going through the last modules. I'm nearly done. I am on cash collector phase 2, and I have really enjoyed the whole program very much, especially the last few sessions where Ed is talking about different strategies for closer calls and setter calls. I find that very helpful and useful. I know now where I made a mistake before, so I can go forward and correct this and make it better. And yeah, so just again wanted to say big thank you to you all for all your support and amazing knowledge, and also great motivation. I mean, I find that really fascinating. So again, big thank you and big hellos from Switzerland. Ciao.